Every single week, I drive 2 minutes across the US border and pick up about 30 free products, just like this $700 LED face mask, without paying a single dollar for any of these products. Last month, these free products made me over $1,000 in commissions as a Canadian. TikTok Shop doesn't work here. Instagram monetization, nope. YouTube Shorts just launched, but this method actually works here in Canada. And in the next 14 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to get 30 free products per week so that you can earn 10 to 50% commissions, and why living near the border is, to be honest with you, an unfair advantage. Now at the 8-minute mark, I'm revealing my exact border strategy that saves me hundreds in duties every single trip. So let's get into it. Hey guys, my name is Brian Zabirik and I'm based out of Vancouver, BC, and I've been doing this for the past year. Now I'm not here to sell you some get rich quick BS. This is a legitimate Amazon program most Canadians don't even know exists. So here's what we're covering today. Number one, what is the Amazon Influencer Program and why it's different? And let me be clear before you scroll off of this video, you don't need to be an influencer to do it, and I'm gonna explain exactly what I mean by that. I'll be going over the 2 different ways that you can make money. One of them, you can actually start today. The Creator Connections Program, where you get free products plus increased commissions. We're talking anywhere between 10 to 50% commissions. My exact cross-border strategy to avoid duties, and by the end of it, you'll know your first step. Now let me guess where you are. You tried TikTok Shop, but you realize it's for the US only. The Creator Fund, same thing, US only. Instagram bonuses, US only. And every time you find something promising, the answer is not available in Canada. Now, being a Canadian in this space, transparently, it's hard. It's extremely hard. We have 1/10 of the population, fewer opportunities, higher costs, and we're always last, which sucks. But here's what changed everything. The Amazon Influencer Program lets you create short product review videos that go directly on Amazon listings. When someone watches your video and buys, you get paid. No website needed, no driving traffic. Amazon already has 2 billion visitors per month, and you are tapping into that. So there are 2 ways to do this. Method number 1 is you review products that you already own in your house right now. All of the products behind me right now, even my laptop, my phone cases, potentially even my water bottle right here. All you have to do is give an honest review, film it with your phone. It's typically about 60 seconds and you upload it to Amazon. And that's exactly how, in fact, this Blue Yeti made me $47. What's cool about it is I already had that product. I didn't have to purchase it to do this. Now, the second method is the Creator Connections Program. This is where brands send you free products and you get 10 to 50% commissions instead of your typical 2 to 4% with the Amazon Associates Program. Now, a standard review, let's say you have a $50 product, you get $2 in commissions for that product. But with Creator Connections, a $50 product could quite literally earn you $10 in commissions. Plus, you get to keep the product and you can resell it as well, which makes you even more money. And to be honest with you, method number 2 is where the real money is, because you get 30 products sent to you per week with increased commissions and the ability to resell. Now, I will be clear, the Creator Connections Program is only in the United States, but this is where becoming a Canadian becomes a little bit of a challenge, but also an opportunity if you can figure it out. With it being only in the United States, typically brands are very resistant to ship products directly to your home because it costs them more money, it costs them more time, and therefore they don't see an ROI as fast. And unfortunately, they would just rather focus on the creators that are in America. So here's my exact system. Now, this only works if you live near the US border. Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver, Calgary, you're good to go. Deep into Saskatchewan, probably not. And I wanted to be very transparent with that in the first place. Step number 1 is using a PO box. Myself, living in Vancouver, there is something called Mailboxes International. It's a PO box located in Blaine. It's literally 2 minutes over the border. This costs, I think, $5 per month, and you pay $3.50 per package. They give you a US address, and when you accept campaigns, which is the second step, you can pretty much get them to send it directly to that PO address. Now, step number 2 is accepting campaigns and reaching out to people. Now, you can do this directly inside of your off-site ID. So there's a very specific area that you get access to the Creator Connections Program. Now, what most people don't know is that when you're navigating through your Amazon platform and your actual Creator Hub, if you don't go to your off-site ID, then you won't see this program. And a lot of people will be like, oh, I'm Canadian, I don't get access to this. Now, transparently, you can go into the Creator Connections platform, reach out to people, accept campaigns, and you can take that very manual approach. But in my opinion, there's a better and there's a faster way to do this. There is a software called ViralView. that allows you to pretty much automate this entire process. As you can see quite literally over 500,000 active campaigns. With Viral View, you have the ability to filter based off of really anything, category. You can actually see the viral score of a video to see if you'll be able to get an ROI on it as well. And on top of that, you can actually automate the outreach and the follow-up process with just a few short clicks of a button. Trust me when I say this, what used to take hours takes minutes by using this software. You pretty much apply to campaigns with this automation. You get approved within 24 to 48 hours. You give them your US shipping address, and then you have them send it to your PO box. Now, step number 3 is actually crossing the border. Now, it really depends on the volume, but I try to go every single week. For me, Saturday mornings work really good, but anytime before 11:30, 9:30 to 11:30 is a prime time to go because there typically is no border waits. Now, to give you perspective, I live in downtown Vancouver. To get to Blaine and back is usually about a 2 to 2.5 hour trip. So you just got to account for that. Now, when you go to your PO box, one of the biggest things you're going to realize is you're going to get quite literally 15, 20, 30 packages, and they're going to be in big boxes. As you can imagine, going over the border with those boxes is going to look a little bit suspicious. So the key is to get rid of all of those boxes while you're at the PO box. Throw everything in the trash and just really condense it to the actual product packaging itself. In other words, you don't really want to look like a smuggler. Now, step number 4 is extremely important. This is where you actually need to declare the value of the goods properly. Now, even though all of these things are free, you still must declare the actual value. What I have found after doing this dozens of times, the sweet spot is under $300 claimed. Now, this is where you can kind of figure out your cadence. You will essentially track on your PO dashboard how much goods are coming in. And your goal is to go when you have about $300 worth of goods. Now, if you, for whatever reason, can't go and you have more goods sitting there, then what I would recommend is still only taking 300, keeping the rest at the PO box and going again another time the week after. Now, again, because we get these products for free, the downside is we don't actually have an invoice to them. So a quick hack that you can take is actually opening up the product, going to Amazon.com, and then hitting this little camera icon. This pulls up Amazon's Lens AI. And essentially, all you need to do is take a photo of the product and instantly you'll see on the search engine results page, the product exactly how it is. Now, for whatever reason you can't find it, let's say it's in packaging, they don't have the packaging with inside their image, then you can just simply search up the brand name and find the actual product. Now, take screenshots of every single one of the values of each product. And let's say you add everything up, you pull out your calculator, and it's quite literally $298. I will literally say $298. Be as specific as possible. I find that it helps. Now, here's a pro tip. Now, this isn't necessary if you still fall between like the 9 to 11 a.m. time frame. You should still have not as much border waits, but getting a Nexus, in other words, being a part of the Trusted Traveler program, number 1, you skip the line so it's even faster. But number 2, I find that they're a lot more lenient when it comes to the value of goods that you're bringing over. Now, there's 2 other quick little tips that I can give. Be prepared to talk to the agent at the border and make sure you tell them what you're bringing over. The more specific, the better. If you're bringing over a bartending kit, or if you're bringing over a home organization storage box, whatever it is, be very specific with what you're actually bringing over. Be prepared. And the other things is if you're wearing a hat, take it off. And I like to do it as I'm approaching. It shows that I want them to see my face, right? And that also builds trust. The other thing is they always ask to pretty much roll down the back window. So make sure as you're rolling up, that back window is down. You're thinking ahead, you're putting your best foot forward. That conversation tends to be easier. Now that we have all of the products, step number 5 is actually to film and start uploading. This is super simple. I like to batch film everything, at least for the products that I get sent to me. I like to do it like right after. It usually takes me 45 minutes to an hour to quite literally get through 30 products with my wife. Like I said, these videos are anywhere between 30 to 60, maybe 90, maybe a little bit longer. But again, I take them in one take because I do this so consistently, and you guys will eventually be able to do that as well. Now, there's a couple things that I want to mention. What I recommend doing as a quick little roadmap, let's say over the next 3 months, your first month should really focus on filming all of the products already in your house for a couple different reasons. Number 1, you want to get better at talking in front of the camera. And sometimes, most of the time, actually, you don't even need to show your face if you don't want to, but you need to be better at giving your honest and genuine review. It's better to make mistakes and fine tune your process before you start working with these brands. And the second reason that we do this is so that we can start building up up a little bit of an income so that the cost that we incur going cross-border is actually covered. We want this to be as profitable as we possibly can. And the third and the most important reason is that we actually need to be promoted into the Bronze Creator Stars program. I'll have something pop up on the screen on exactly what this is. The Bronze Creator Star program is actually what gets us access to creator connections in the first place. And we need to essentially upload reviews to get views, clicks, and most importantly, purchases. And therefore, we can get promoted through these different tiers. Eventually, you'll go from bronze to silver. The highest that I've gotten is gold, but this quarter, I'm looking to get to platinum. Now, I will be transparent with you. This is not passive. It's quite active, at least to start. You're creating content, you're managing trips. But the cool thing is there's no inventory purchases, there's no customer service, there's no ads. All you really need to do is film and upload, and of course, go over the border if you really want to increase your income. And trust me when I say this, what might take 5 hours your first month, 2 months, will eventually start to take 2 hours like it does for me on a weekly basis. And you will also see your income start to snowball the more videos that you start to have. Now, for the people that stuck to the very end and for whatever reason, you are not near a border, then doing method number one, this is an easy way for you still to earn commissions. You can be Canadian, taking advantage of the program, no problem. The other thing that you could explore, to be transparent with you, and obviously I don't have to do this, is if you have a friend in the United States that's willing to consolidate all your packages and put them into one smaller box and ship that over to you every 2 weeks, that's another way for you to get your goods. So guys, that's exactly how I take advantage of the Amazon Influencer Program. And again, you can get started right after this video with method number one. But if you really want to increase your income, method number two is going to be your go-to. Now, if you want to see a full tutorial on how exactly I'm using Viral View to automate this entire process, plus all the additional tools that it gives you to pretty much double, if not triple your income, then comment the word viral at the bottom of this video, and I'll be sure to make a tutorial for you.